Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Google Meet. To know how to fix or how to solve your problems on Google Meet, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this list you'll search about Google Meet. When you find this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache, and in the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about Google Meet, and you can click on install your app and you can install it again. Then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.